and welcome to the recap video from week 4 of beginner jazz dance in February of 2020. So our theme for the 4th week was Charleston, but we did more 30s style Charleston than 20s style Charleston, which is what we focused on last month when we did Charleston. So we talked a little bit about body positioning for this type of Charleston. We really want to be pitched forward at the waist so that when we kick, our kicks are aimed down versus being upright and our kicks start coming out in front of us. We want to have a very heavy pulse, right? We want to be pulsing constantly on our standing leg. And we talked a little bit about that pulse is more of a scoot on the floor. So, right, being able to slide back and forth, especially as you kick one leg. So if I turn so this leg is closer to the camera, my standing leg is constantly moving as opposed to trying to kick while keeping your standing leg planted in one place. And then we talked about replacing the foot. That true kick steps replace the foot, right? So both feet are never on the ground at the same time, pretty much ever in this style of dance. So we want to avoid this type of kick step, which is setting the foot down and then lifting the other one. We want, when the foot comes in, shoot, for it to replace the other foot completely. And that's what gives Charleston its athletic quality. So we practice doing some single kick steps, kick, step, kick, step, kick, step, kick, step, kick, replace, kick, replace, kick, replace, do it inside. We talked about that really I'm pulling my foot up behind me before the kick, and the kick is just a release rather than a forceful kick. So I'm really just drawing the foot closer to my seat and then letting it release down, which is what makes it easy and light and not a lot of work. We did double kicks, right? So just 2 on one side, then switching. So double kick, switch, double kick, switch, double kick. Again, replacing the foot rather than putting both feet on the ground at any time. Boom, 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 boom. Then we did alternating ones. I was calling these Mama's Stew kicks because I learned them in a routine called Mama's Stew. And so that is single, single, double, single, single, double. So it switches sides each time which side the double is on. So that looks like single, single, double, kick, single, single, double, kick from the back, starting with the right, single, single, double, kick, single, single, double, kick. Then we did our Charleston basic. So if you've taken a partner class, you've learned a Charleston basic that looks like rock, step, kick, step, 2 kicks and land, rock, step, right? Or if you're leading on the other side, rock, step, kick, 2 kicks and land. So we're just changing where we start in that Charleston pattern. So again, I'll do those from the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or starting with the left foot, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So when we're doing it solo, a lot of times, the kick is going to be the beginning, right? So we were doing what would be analogous to leaders Charleston if we were doing partner Charleston. And we're starting on the kick. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 kicks and land, rock, step, kick, step. 2 kicks, land, rock, step, kick, step. 2 kicks, right foot down, rock, step, kick, step. 2 kicks, rock, step, kick, step. And remember that we always have that pulse, right? But if I'm just showing the shapes, right? You have 2 kicks, you step down on the right foot, you take a rock step, you have 1 kick and then a step. So you can do it all over again. But you have to do it in rhythm with the pulse. 2 kicks and land, rock, step, kick, step. 2 kicks and land, rock, step, kick, step. Then we did some jump Charleston. So that one has a little bit more of a syncopated rhythm, and it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7, 8. So we're landing on the right foot on the and before the 7, 8. So from the back, that looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7, 8. From the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7, 8. Then we did some crazy legs. So I feel like this can be classified as 20s or 30s Charleston. I don't really know where to stick it, so I added it to our list. And so very typical hand styling would be just to interlace the fingers and put them here. And we're going to just do single kick steps, but instead of kicking down and front like we had been when we were just practicing them by themselves, we're going to kick them out to the side, 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 side. And then we did some log rolls. So we talked about just doing kind of some flutter kicks first. So we have our right foot in the air. On count one, that right foot is going to come down. Right, left, right, left, right, left from the side. My foot is in the air. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we added some crossing to it. So starting with that foot in the air, it's going to cross on counts 1 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And literally all you're doing is hopping from foot to foot for 8 counts. The only thing that makes it look fancy is you cross on 1 and 5, and your arms will go 1, 3, 5, 7. Yeah? 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It also helps you balance. And then we also did some tacky-annies, which are not Charleston, but I wanted to give you one move that didn't involve hopping or jumping, just to give you a break. These start with a tap to the back, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, step, ball change. Tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, step, ball change. So it's very important that before we do that ball change, we bring our foot underneath our hip so that then we can jump out wide again. The rest of it is wide, yeah? So wide stance, and then drawing the left foot underneath and jumping out again wide to make it look good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. That's everything we covered. You guys worked really hard. Thanks a lot.